F450 flatbed. There's the mount for the toolboxes. Testing, studying. Got the engineer chair right there. Come back. This is for the fuel cap. Got that in. Mud flap's gonna go somewhere in that vicinity. Hanging down, come around to the back side, and we got her done. Well, pretty close. The plate right there is gonna be removable to get at the wiring and bolts because it's so tight. I'm gonna drop the license plate right down there where it's cleaned up. Probably put a light in that plate. Otherwise, there's tools scattered everywhere. But get a little bit done each night. Today, we got a lot done. Only worked 4 hours, come in here, worked on this. Hopefully get it done next week. Go get it powder coated.